Hi, I'm Skeet.
Hi, I'm Connor.
Welcome back to Cooking with Skeet.
And Connor.
Today we're going to be making rolled chicken. For this recipe, you're going to need a mixing bowl,
A spoon.
a garlic mincer,
Knives.
a cutting board.
And a baking dish.
You also need to
Preheat your oven to 390.
First thing you need is
Room temperature cream cheese. Next you'll need
a bag of shredded mozzarella cheese. Then add in a few cloves of garlic. Next you're going to add some,
chopped spinach.
and then you're going to add some salt and pepper.
Pepper.
Mix it up. You're going to cut thin strips down the middle of the breast. It's hard to keep it straight. They come out kind of sideways, but do your best.
You mean like this? Did it again.
Be quiet. Nobody likes you.
Oh.
The next thing you need is tomatoes. Did you remember to get the tomatoes?
No. Hey, tomato me. Wrong person.
Quarter your tomatoes. You'll need 1/4 of a tomato for each piece of chicken that you got. Then you're going to get a spoonful of the spread you made earlier, place it on the chicken, place a tomato on it, roll it up, and then put it on your dish to bake.
Put it in the oven for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you're going to take it out. Not get heat blasted. And put it on a hot plate. Cover it with more cheese. Make sure you get even amounts on all of them.
And bake for another 10 minutes or until it's fully cooked. And now it's ready to serve. Click on the link below to learn how to make a great garlic pasta that goes well with this. Because we feel bad for the dogs, we decided to get a human test subject, my sister, his mom, to see what the food actually tastes like. Thanks for cooking with us today.
See ya.